Hello, my name is Deirdre McCafferty and I'd like to welcome you all very much to Cornucopia Climate Chats, which is a podcast series that I have done on environmental and climate issues. Cornucopia is a plant-based restaurant in Dublin, Ireland, and we have been there for 40 years serving healthy food to our customers, and we care very much about the health of our customers and also about the health of the planet. And over many years we had talks and discussions within Cornucopia on the environment, on health and on nutrition, and it gives me great pleasure to bring this podcast series that we have now done called Cornucopia Climate Chats. In this series, which have 8 episodes at the moment, and we will have more, I have interviewed professors in geology, people who take care of Cornucopia's waste, and it's very interesting to find out what happens to our waste. We have an astronomer who talks about satellites and their role in climate mitigation, in tracking ships that cross our oceans and making sure that they're all doing the right thing, and lots of interesting things, including trip to the local botanic gardens in North Dublin and the role of the botanical gardens in rare plants and bringing lots of interesting information on all climate related issues to the public. So I'm glad that you are listening to this. I hope to see you in Cornucopia. Please leave your comments and thank you very much and enjoy.